we are. We got and come back with the formula. I'm everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. Things and times they are move.
Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop contents that you like, contents that you love, contents that you like to listen to. You see me? So right now we are here to talk about Alkaline, and this is not my regular type of review. Right now Alkaline has mastered the craft of music, the craft of dancehall, the craft of the music that he will be putting out into the world, because countless and time again we hear about artists mastering the craft and all them do is go back to mastering more of the same type of music that they make. So a couple years ago Alkaline released a song titled Formula, and in that song Alkaline was speaking about being here and how people never want him to come here, but now he's here because him found the formula. But then Alkaline on the cover art, Alkaline have Einstein on the cover art. So him show you say to that level him reach the IQ and the knowledge of finding the formula, what the formula is. But back then the formula was to release song this week and then release a next song next week and then release another song next week. That was the formula that Alkaline find back then. It's not the same formula that we're talking about right now, because this formula that Alkaline find right now is a much more impactful, is a much more powerful formula. And this new Alkaline for me started when Alkaline released Lone Madness. And before him release Lone Madness, him released the cover art, and all our things say, yo, is another same Alkaline, or the same grimy Alkaline. We're gonna diss everybody and tell everybody about their mother and all these things. No, it wasn't that. It was one of Alkaline most emotional, touching, heartfelt type of song, because me could have related to the song so much, because during that time I lost my friend Alapop. If you no listen to my video, if you no watch all of my video them, I wanna hear the intro play. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. That the youth there, him sing. When Alkaline released that song, the youth dead during that time. You see me? So that youth is dead right now, and that song will continue be my intro until the day I'm dead. So after Lone Madness, Alkaline never stopped there. Alkaline then followed up and released a song titled Mad Love, and I did a review on that song, and that was one of the realest, authentic, genuine side of Alkaline, where you can see Alkaline show growth and development in his music, in his production also, because the instrument, everything, the production, the mastering, everything was just so different. Maybe he might work with some new producers who really want to bring the best out of him and know that him have the capability of releasing classic music that will move people, like how Bob Marley music still a move people, music that will sell, music that people can appreciate. 1 month after or a week after nobody no really listen to it, it no mean nothing to nobody. Alkaline is starting to release music that means, music that have value to it. You see me? Right now this song all about is a powerful song, and the message that Alkaline is sending is not not your typical message that a dancehall artist would send, or not your typical message that an artist like Alkaline would usually send. So we love to see the growth and development within Alkaline music and in Alkaline himself, because maybe he might go through some transformation individually. You see me? So we're going to review the song right now.
Listen, my life, I can't finish. Your family, true friends are in privilege. Now I ain't no gibberish. Still I carry out all the whole teaching and it no make no sense, fine, kill it enough.
So right now Alkaline say, laughter can't finish. My family and my true friends are a privilege. They are a privilege. It's a privilege to have these people, my family and my friends, being around me, respect me, love and respect me, and treat me with the highest utmost respect, you see me, during my roughest and my toughest times. They are there, and I will not take these people for granted. I will cherish my real friends, cherish my family, and I will reward them with genuine appreciation for their undying, unwavering love that they give to me. And guess what? The teachings that my granny raised me with, I still have those teachings. I grew up on those teachings and I implement them in my life. Those teachings are rooted and grounded in me. You see me? So love thy neighbor as thyself. No fighting. Share everything that you have with your loved ones, with your family, with the people that you appreciate. So I really love the message that Alkaline is sending right now.
Guess how I like it be. Respect flow for the people. That's to every human being. I try to make it better.
This song is about happiness. This song is about being able to live anywhere with true happiness. You're there in the ghetto, you live with true peace of mind and happiness. You can be happy anywhere where you live. You see me? All you need is peace of mind and cherish the people them that are around you that love and respect you. So that's what we get from this song right now. True happiness, being able to live anywhere and have that peace, have that mind that you can be yourself. Another thing that I get from this song is make things better and not worse. So add value to the situation, add value to people's life, make people better. If someone is great, make them even greater. You see me? So add some value and do something that is actually productive. Do something that will actually enhance instead of you do something where decrease and make people lose value and devalue. So not make things devalued, but actually add some value to people's life, add some value to your surrounding. And the third thing is spread love and happiness. Spread the love what you have. So people are supposed to find love within themselves before them can even share love with anyone else. So you find that love yourself and find that happiness with yourself. Because if you are gonna put a burden on somebody to make you happy, that is the greatest burden that you can ever give someone. You see me? You can't do that. So you find that love in yourself, love yourself, and you find that happiness within yourself. And when you have that love, if you love yourself, you can be able to love someone else, because you cannot love someone else if you do not love yourself. And you can share your happiness with someone if you are happy. You cannot be happy and expect someone to make you happy. And if someone do not make you happy, then you're miserable and you hate them and these things. No. Make yourself happy, love yourself, and then share that love and happiness with people and spread it across the world. Spread it in your surroundings, spread it in your community, spread it in your countries. You know what I mean? Just spread it in the world. So I really love this song that Alkaline did, and it have me expressing and talking a lot. You see me? I don't really know if a lot of people even watch the video come down to this point. If you don't watch the video come down to this point, please leave a comment, because I like to know so people really listen to what me I say. You see me? If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.